Listen to the question and answers and improve your English. Subscribe for more. Hi there. Do you have a name?
Yes, of course I have a name.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Warsaw. It's the capital of Poland.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. I find it very refreshing and calming.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy watching movies and going for walks in the park.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Now I can't play any musical instrument, but I'd love to learn how to play the piano someday.
What's the weather like today?
It's a bit cloudy today, and there's a chance of rain later in the afternoon.
How often do you exercise?
I try to exercise at least twice a week. I usually go to the gym or do some yoga at home.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I really enjoy watching action movies. The excitement and suspense keep me engaged.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I traveled Japan last year. It was an incredible experience to explore a completely different culture.
What's your job?
I work as a teacher. I teach English to middle school students.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
On my birthday, I usually have a small get-together with my family. We have a special dinner and cake.
What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. The combination of different sizes and toppings makes it so delicious.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. I learned when I was a child during summer vacations.
What's the last book you read?
The last book I read was The Great Gatsby by Chef Scott Fitzgerald. It's a classic novel about the American dream.
What's your dream travel destination?
My dream travel destination is Paris, France. I've wanted to see the Eiffel Tower.
How do you usually get to work or school?
I usually take the bus to get to work.
It's convenient and saves me time.
What's one hobby you'd like to try in the future?
I'd like to try painting. I've always admired people who can create beautiful art.
Are you a cat person or a dog person?
I'm definitely a dog person. I love their loyalty and playful nature.
What's the tallest building you've ever been in?
The tallest building I've been in is the Empire State Building in New York City.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. I enjoy the rich flavor and the energy boost it gives me.
Have you ever ridden a bicycle for a long distance?
Yes, I've ridden a bicycle on a trail that was about 15 miles long. It was tiring but fun.
What's your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is autumn. I love the cool weather and the beautiful colors of the leaves.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a bit of Spanish. I learned it in school.